Welcome to episode number 56. So we are gearing up by completing major civil related activities. In this area today as such there was no major thing which has happened because we are actually planning to start the flooring work of the living dining passage by tomorrow. So this is just the preliminary preparations which was going on. The work happening today are in the two areas, which is the master bedroom and the common bedroom, that is kids bedroom. So now let me take you to the master bedroom. Master bedroom flooring we have already completed, which I have shared in the yesterday's video. We are packing up the joints with abrasive because it is due for covering. Today we have completed the balcony flooring. This is the balcony which I am going to have it actually in the bedroom now. So the work of the flooring work and the skirting work of the balcony area we have successfully completed. We have completed the vanity wall, which yesterday you had seen only one tile, but today the entire wall patch has been completed. In the common bedroom or the kids bedroom, wall punning which was going on yesterday, majority of the work has been completed. Few patches have been left behind the wardrobe area. We won't be going for wall punning as there is no point in increasing the depth of the wall. So stay tuned with me in the journey ahead. Do like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye.